bought this this cheap road car off eBay. The car was £58, but I had to pay £11 VAT on top of it, so it bumped the price up to £69 and change. So Phantom Pro, 4-wheel drive, all-terrain, substantial high performance. Side of the box, brushless motor, Pro, middle rear transmission, metal drive shaft, ball bearing, steering engine, electronic speed control, angel eyes, metal differential. That's what it's saying about the controller. That's it. Side of the box, it comes in 2 different colours. I'm not sure what colour I got. I think I got the green one. Yeah, the green one. So let's open it up. Well, it's already opened up to charge the batteries. I've already opened it up, but I put it back in the box again just to charge up the batteries. And the box, it comes with a nice handle. It's got a handle on the box, so might keep the box. Get the car out. One sec. This box, it's got all the accessories. So you got your manual, you got 4 drift wheels it come with, 7.4 volt, 1300 mAh lithium ion battery. You got under strip light. It came with 2 under strip lights. I've already put one in the car. Screwdriver, charge cable, USB charge cable, and Allen wrench, and a couple of body pins. So the car come with 2 batteries. I've already charged 1 battery up. It's in the car. So that's the car. Let me just put these on the remote. Get rid of all these boxes, some pieces in the box. That's the car. This is the remote it come with. You got your steering trim, steering verse, steering dual rate. It's got steering dual rate button, on off button. That's about it. The steering wheel, rubber foam steering wheel, 3 AA batteries, which I've already installed in the remote. And let's have a look at the car quickly inside. Then I'm gonna run it with the supply battery it come with. So that's it. So you got your brushless 35 amp ESC. 2024 40 2500 kV brushless motor, centigram 3 or 2-in-1 steering servo. As I said, this battery is already charged up. Bracing in the middle. You got disc brakes. You see the disc brakes behind the wheel of the car. Hex. The wheel is, I'm not sure the nut size of the wheel. You got your lights At least the light's not hooked up to the body. The body now, it seems pretty sturdy and strong. It's the inside of the body. Yeah, it seems, we'll see. Seems quite sturdy. Friction shocks. I can always upgrade to oil-filled shocks, but these sort of cars, it don't really matter, I don't think, because I've got my Mustang, my muscle car, which has got friction shocks. It's got metal CVDs at the front, metal dog bones at the back, at the rear. That's about it. Plastic turnbuckles. That's about it. Let me just plug the battery in. We run it on the supply battery, so basically stock. I have got a 2S battery charged up with me, but that's probably a separate video, man. Already 6 minutes into the video, so that's all plugged in. Just put the body clips in. Yeah, so for the price, and it's got a bit of weight on it, this car. It's got a bit of weight to it. It's not no light thing. Right, the remote. Let me just strap the remote up onto my controller. The muscle car I've got, it's actually brushed. One sec. So I might do a comparison vid on it. Compare the two at some point. But the insides, the guts of it, is similar layout, because I had a look with the muscle car and this car quickly. So let's turn on the remote. I've already tightened up the wheels. They were pretty loose. See, I've got, that's the underside of the car. So it's an aluminium bling, front and rear. That's the underlight I put on. It's kind of waiting for it to be a bit darker. Right, got the angel eyes. There's a button on the side of the remote control which controls the angel eyes. The rear is just stay permanently on. There's another button on the side. Is that a oh, it's there's another button on the side of the remote, which is a speed button, I think. So I've got it on high speed. You got 3 clicks. So I've got the button on the middle. The middle, that's middle speed, and then you got low speed. So yeah, let's put it on the middle speed. That's middle speed. Let's turn it on high. That's high. Oh, maybe we move down there where it's smoother. box later. So the specs of the car, as I said, 2,500 kV brushless motor and a 35 amp ESC you should definitely take 2S. I'm not sure about 3S. So that's full speed, full throttle. It's faster than my muscle car, full speed. That's full trigger. The battery runs down really fast, the lithium ion battery. Whoop, watch the curb. Because I tried it out in my front porch for about 2 minutes. Fully charged battery ran down to about 88%. Not even 2 minutes run. So oh! That was a curb crash. Curb hit. That was a curb hit, man. Oh, has it got the plastic? I think it's still got the plastic on it. I didn't take the plastic off. It's still got the plastic on it. The film, the protective film, yeah. It's still got the protective film on it. Yeah, the protective film's still on the car. So I'll leave the protective film on it just to protect the body. I got a speed meter. I bought this speed meter, but it's for bikes, bicycle. You turn it on. See if I could turn it on. Why won't it turn on? You see kilometers an hour and miles an hour, but it stays on kilometers an hour. So just trying to set it. I've set the meter. Don't know if I can strap it on here somehow. Just trying to strap this meter somehow.